Hi, it's Raj. So, this is the unboxing and quick look at the Mi Beard Trimmer which I bought from Mi India store for a price of rupees 1199. So, let's do it.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
So, it's well packed. And here is the retail box. Let's take a quick look. It's written 40 length settings and 1.5 hour cordless use. Nice. The box contents are 1 trimmer, 1 user manual, 1 power cord, 2 trimming combs, 1 travel pouch and 1 cleaning brush. There is no charger. So, there is 1 year manufacturer warranty for this product. Here is the manual containing instructions on safety, product parts, disassembly and specifications. So it takes 2 hours for full charge. However, a 5-minute charge is enough for 1 trimming session as per the manual. So yeah, let's keep it aside. Here comes the trimmer and other accessories. So this is the travel pouch, then the power cord. As I told earlier, there is no charger, but you can use any standard 5 volt 2 ampere charger. And this is the cleaning brush, then a comb. Now let's look at the trimmer. It's so comfortable to hold. That's the charging port. Here is the knob with total 20 adjustments, and with 2 combs we can have 40 length settings. So turning the trimmer on, it sounds good, right? The 3 LED indicators. It has a travel lock feature. To enable it, press the on-off button for 3 seconds. This prevents the trimmer from accidentally turning on during transport. See, it's not turning on. Only the LED blinks 3 times to indicate travel lock. To disengage, press the on-off button again for 3 seconds. In order to detach the comb, you need to set the knob to the highest position and wiggle the comb. Removing the blade is also simple. Pull it upwards. Also, when you install it back, it just snaps into the place. Nice and clean. Also, Mi recommends to use the standard adapter which comes with their mobile phones. So let's connect it to the wall outlet. It started charging. You can also use it while plugged in. If you enable the travel lock, you can prevent accidental turning on while charging. Disengaging the lock. So everything is working fine. So trying the Mi trimmer for the first time. Yeah, it does the purpose and is clean. Notice the difference? After usage, clean it with the comb. Bring the knob to the lowest position. Engage the travel lock before keeping it in the travel pouch for safety. So yes, everything fits in the pouch. So that was the unboxing and quick look at the Mi Beard Trimmer. You can find the product link in the video description. Hope the video was useful. Peace.